The screen fades in, revealing bold text that reads, "Men over 40, when your life blows up, run this protocol." The scene shifts to a middle-aged man sitting alone in a dimly lit room. He is surrounded by divorce papers, a medical scan, and a redundancy email, each item symbolizing a significant life challenge. The atmosphere is heavy with a sense of loss and uncertainty. The camera captures his weary expression, highlighting the emotional toll of these events. As he glances at the scattered papers, the weight of his circumstances becomes palpable. This moment sets the stage for a journey of transformation, where he must confront the chaos of his life. It is a poignant reminder that many men over 40 face similar struggles, making it essential to find a structured way to navigate through these turbulent times. The journey begins here, amidst the turmoil. The screen flashes with rapid cuts, each scene capturing the weight of midlife crises faced by men over 40. A man stands in a dimly lit room, his phone vibrating with a breakup notification, the look of disbelief etched on his face. The scene shifts to another man sitting at a desk, staring blankly at a job loss email, the reality of financial insecurity dawning on him. Next, we see a third man in a doctor's office, his expression shifting from hope to fear as he receives alarming health news. Each clip is accompanied by a haunting soundtrack, amplifying the emotional turmoil. The quick transitions emphasize the relentless nature of these challenges, showcasing how swiftly life can change. These moments, though brief, resonate deeply, illustrating the profound impact of such crises on mental and emotional well-being, setting the stage for the journey ahead. As we transition into a structured approach for navigating life's upheavals, we unveil the forensic-style damage control protocol board. This framework is crucial for men over 40 facing life-altering events. It begins with the first stage, event, where we identify the triggering moments that can derail our lives. Next is response, which captures the immediate emotional reactions, shock, anger, and confusion, prompting the need for action. Following this, we have routine, emphasizing the importance of establishing new habits to regain control. Finally, we reach rebuild, where proactive steps are taken to forge a new path. Each of these stages is interconnected, forming a comprehensive strategy that empowers individuals to manage their crises effectively. By understanding and implementing this protocol, men can navigate through their challenges with clarity and resilience, transforming adversity into an opportunity for growth and renewal. The determination to overcome flickers, igniting a spark of hope amidst the despair. His brow furrows, revealing the weight of his circumstances. Eyes that once sparkled with ambition now reflect a storm of emotions, determination battling despair. Each breath seems heavier, as if the air is thick with unspoken fears and unfulfilled dreams. The shadows play across his features, emphasizing the lines etched by life's challenges. He is at a crossroads, caught between the urge to fight back and the temptation to succumb to hopelessness. The close-up serves as a mirror to his soul, revealing the gravity of his situation. It is a moment of profound introspection, where the stakes feel impossibly high. The audience can sense the internal struggle, making it clear that this is not just a fleeting moment, but a pivotal turning point in his life. The scene unfolds with the man sitting in a dimly lit room, his face illuminated by the harsh glow of a phone screen. He receives a call that delivers devastating news. A sudden job loss, a health scare, or the finality of a relationship ending. Each word from the other end feels like a weight pressing down on his chest. Visually, the camera captures his expression, a mix of disbelief and despair. The sound of the call fades, replaced by a heavy silence that envelops him. Around him, the remnants of his life scatter the table. Divorce papers, a medical scan, and a redundancy email. This moment of crisis is pivotal, igniting a spark that compels him to confront his reality. It is here, in this raw moment of vulnerability, that the need for action and reflection emerges, marking the beginning of his transformative journey. As the man processes the shocking news, his face contorts in disbelief, eyes wide as he grapples with the reality of his situation. The weight of anger begins to settle in, his fists clenching as he struggles to contain the swirling emotions. Overlaying text captures this turmoil, describing his shock as an electric jolt through his body, leaving him momentarily paralyzed. The anger rises like a storm, a fierce wave that threatens to engulf him, while confusion wraps around his thoughts like a fog, blurring clarity. He paces the room, the tension palpable as he battles with feelings of betrayal and loss. The text continues to narrate his inner conflict, emphasizing the chaos within. Each breath feels heavy, and the world outside seems distant as he confronts the magnitude of his circumstances. This emotional response is a crucial turning point, setting the stage for the journey ahead. This is his sanctuary, a place where he can reclaim control and redefine his future. He rolls out a worn mat, the fabric frayed yet familiar, and starts with simple training exercises. Each movement is deliberate, a testament to his commitment to change. As he performs push-ups, sweat beads on his forehead, a physical manifestation of his determination to rise above adversity. The rhythmic sound of his breath fills the space, echoing the mantra of perseverance. He transitions to stretching, each pose a reminder of the flexibility he seeks in life. The shadows dance around him, but he remains focused, pushing through the discomfort. This routine is not just about physical strength, it symbolizes a mental shift. With every rep, he builds resilience, forging new habits that will anchor him during turbulent times. The scene shifts to a small, cluttered desk illuminated by a single lamp. The man sits quietly, pen in hand, as he opens a blank journal. With each stroke, he pours out his thoughts and feelings, capturing the whirlwind of emotions that have engulfed him. The act of writing becomes a therapeutic release, allowing him to confront his fears and uncertainties. He reflects on his past, the pain of loss, and the hope for a brighter future. Each word serves as a stepping stone toward understanding himself better. The importance of self-reflection emerges as he writes about his aspirations, acknowledging both his struggles and strengths. This intimate moment emphasizes that journaling is not just about recording events. It is about processing experiences and finding clarity. As the pages fill, he begins to feel a sense of control returning, reinforcing the idea that self-reflection is essential in navigating life's challenges. The scene opens with the man methodically cleaning his apartment, the dim lighting casting shadows that enhance the dark, masculine aesthetic. He moves purposefully, each action symbolizing his determination to reclaim control over his life. Dust particles dance in the air as he wipes surfaces, a metaphor for clearing away the chaos that surrounds him. The camera captures close-ups of his hands, revealing the strength in his grip as he organizes clutter, an act of defiance against the turmoil he has faced. As he throws away old items, there is a sense of liberation. Each discarded piece represents a step towards a new beginning. The visuals are interspersed with reflections of his past struggles, reminding viewers that this act of cleaning is not just physical but deeply emotional. It signifies a commitment to self-improvement and resilience, setting the stage for the transformation that lies ahead. As the scene shifts, the man stands in a dimly lit kitchen, surrounded by muted colors that reflect the somber yet hopeful atmosphere. He begins to chop vegetables, each slice a reminder of the nourishment he needs during this challenging time. Cooking becomes a form of self-care, a way to reclaim his life amidst chaos. The simple act of preparing a meal transforms into a ritual of healing. He focuses on the textures and colors of fresh ingredients, finding solace in the process. The aroma of simmering broth fills the air, symbolizing warmth and comfort. Each meal crafted is not just sustenance, it represents a step towards regaining control. In this quiet moment, he realizes that nourishment is essential for both body and spirit. As he plates the food, there is a sense of accomplishment, a small victory in the journey of rebuilding his life. As the man walks alone at dusk, the sky transitions from vibrant hues to deep shadows, mirroring his internal journey. Each step he takes is heavy with reflection, the fading light symbolizing the hope that flickers amidst his struggles. The dimming surroundings create a stark contrast to the turmoil he has faced, yet there is a quiet strength in his stride. He thinks about the challenges that have shaped him: loss, heartache, and uncertainty. The cool breeze brushes against his skin, a reminder that life continues, even in darkness. With every breath, he acknowledges his pain, but also embraces the possibility of renewal. The silhouettes of trees loom around him, representing obstacles that can be navigated with resilience. As the last rays of sunlight fade, he feels a sense of calm wash over him, realizing that hope, though subtle, is always present, guiding him forward. As the man begins to embrace the concept of rebuild, the scene shifts to a well-lit room filled with inspiration. He gathers materials for a vision board, carefully selecting images and words that resonate with his aspirations. Each clip captures his focused expression as he pins down goals that reflect his desires for personal growth and fulfillment. The visuals transition to him jotting down plans in a notebook, mapping out steps toward a brighter future. This proactive mindset is evident as he prioritizes what truly matters. He envisions a life filled with purpose, health, and meaningful connections. The atmosphere is infused with a sense of hope and determination, contrasting the earlier somber tones. The man stands back to admire his vision board, a tangible representation of his commitment to change. This moment signifies a pivotal shift, as he prepares to take charge of his destiny and embrace the journey ahead. As the man navigates his path to recovery, he begins to reach out to those around him. A scene unfolds where he meets a close friend at a local cafe, sharing laughter and stories, reminding him that he is not alone in this journey. The warmth of their interaction highlights the importance of friendship during tough times. Next, he seeks guidance from a mentor who offers valuable advice and encouragement, reinforcing that support is essential. The mentor's words resonate deeply, providing a sense of direction and hope. Brief clips capture moments of camaraderie, whether it's a group workout session or a simple phone call, emphasizing that rebuilding one's life is a collaborative effort. The visuals convey a sense of belonging, reminding viewers that community can be a powerful ally in overcoming adversity. Together they inspire resilience, showing that no one needs to face their struggles in isolation. As the screen fades in, a powerful visual montage unfolds, showcasing the man immersed in his new routines. First, we see him training vigorously, sweat glistening as he pushes through each rep, embodying strength and determination. The scene shifts to him journaling at his desk, the pen moving swiftly across the pages as he captures his thoughts, reflecting on his journey and the lessons learned. Each word penned is a step towards healing. Next, the camera captures him in the kitchen, skillfully preparing a simple yet nourishing meal, the aroma filling the air, symbolizing self-care and the importance of nurturing oneself. These moments are interspersed with close-ups of his focused expressions, illustrating his commitment to change. The montage culminates in a crescendo of uplifting music, encapsulating his growth and resilience, leaving viewers inspired to embrace their own transformative journeys. The scene transitions to a breathtaking horizon, where the sun begins to rise, casting golden hues across the sky. The man stands tall, shoulders squared, embodying newfound strength and resolve. As he gazes into the distance, the weight of his past struggles begins to lift, replaced by a sense of purpose. The camera captures the determination etched on his face, reflecting the journey he has undertaken. The text overlay appears on screen, boldly proclaiming, "Embrace the protocol, rebuild your life." This powerful message resonates, encouraging viewers to take charge of their own lives, no matter the challenges they face. The music swells, uplifting and inspiring, as the man takes a deep breath, ready to embrace whatever comes next. This moment encapsulates the essence of resilience, a reminder that it is never too late to start anew and that every ending can lead to a new beginning.